Introducing the BAVIN PC752 Mini Wall Charger, compatible with wide devices, USB Type interface charger, available in Type-C interface, IP interface, and micro USB interface. Charge while playing with light indicator, ergonomic design. BAVIN versus other brands. BAVIN is safe to use, high quality and fast charging, while other brands are risky, slow and low quality to use. Small and compact size, can be brought anywhere, made from high quality materials, smart tech device. The BAVIN PC752 Mini Wall Charger. Get yours now!